Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add borders to rectangle in Canva. So let's begin. First, create your project or open your presentation. Okay, then tools, shapes, choose shape, rectangle, draw a rectangle, and now edit color, stroke color or add border. Choose the border color, fill color and choose the border color. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.